Hi guys, this is how to install WordPress on a local server from scratch. So off we go. First of all, I'm using WAMP on the PC here. For the Mac, it is MAMP. Just type them in the search engine, you should be able to get them. Okay, so that's my server up and running. Basically, it works just the same as an FTP server. Localhost is root level, and this is your front end. Your projects, like your domains, would come up here. What we're going to do is set one up from scratch. So the first thing we want to do is download WordPress. So let's just do a quick search. WordPress download. Okay, and there you go. So let's go in. We're up to 3.41 at the moment. So I'll just open that. As you can see, I have already done this, but just doing it so you can see exactly how this is done. I'm not skipping any steps. Okay, so there's the WordPress files. So we'll just unzip them. In the meantime, we'll go back and open the directory on our local host. You can see my other projects, my other websites there. So all we do is take the WordPress file, put it in to our directory folder, and we'll just call this test site. Okay, so that's the WordPress files in, and as you know with WordPress, we need to have a MySQL database now set up to work with it. So again, to the local server, go into PHP MyAdmin, and don't worry about setting up a database, just go in and set up a user account, and we can automatically set up a database for the new user. So this is the simplest way. Just click add new user, and let's keep the name the same. So user is test site. The host in this case is a local host. Password test1234, and retype it in there. Make sure you get that right. Test234. Okay, let's go on down. So you want to create a database with the same name and grant all privileges. We'll just check that for all the privileges. Go down and hit create user. Okay, so that's that all set up. You get back to databases now, or even refresh the page. F5, you'll see now that there's a database in there. Okay, so just go back, and you can see test site there, test site database, test site user. Just keeping it all the same to make it simple. So now we go to the local host, and you'll now see there's a test site in there. So we need to set up the configuration file. So these are the four things we'll be adding in. So let's go. So the name is, you guessed it, test site. Username, test site. Password, test1234. Localhost, and submit. Fingers crossed. There we go. So that is now our MySQL database connected to our WordPress files that we just installed to the local host. So now we'll do now, run the install. What should we call this? Yep, we tested test site. Username. Now this is just for access to the site, so we can even just keep it that. Just use admin1234. Admin1234. Email. This is just in case anything goes wrong. Allow search engines index site. It doesn't matter because we're working on a local host. If you're creating a site online, I would uncheck that until the site's ready. Obviously, we all want to be seen on the web, so I'll just keep that checked for now. and install. Remember password if you want. And it's going to log in with the username and password I set up. Once you're into WordPress, you can set up multiple users and give them different access levels. I'll have a video for that put up soon. So then log in. So admin1234 automatically remembered that. And away we go. And this is the back end of your WordPress site. So if I click here and hit visit site, there you go. There's your WordPress site. Done and dusted. If you have any questions, just drop me a post and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks.